what did we think? And everybody was quiet.
Thanks to the pyrotechnics for doing their bit. We hope you enjoyed it. We're going to light the bonfire now. Just keep it safe though. Keep it safe. It's a great display. Thanks guys. Thanks to all the pyrotechnics out there and the music men in front of me. It's a really good show.
See where we were before? It's like that far away, but the heat, you can feel it.
Thanks to all of you for being here today. We're not calling you all the way, but if you are going to leave, please leave safely. And we'll welcome you back this time next year.
Looking at it, it burns your eyes, man. It's so hot. Yo, the bars are open and so is that game over there. Where's mum and dad? Where else? Come over here. Is there ever come with you? Hey, hold on, let me swap the oaks. Me and Terence will be back in 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go see my parents. Can we swap the? Right here. My dad will just. Oh, the fucking egg.